Family, it's your boy Feniks checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to give you a small update. I have been working on the business to be a field recruiter to find iron workers, welders, and millwrights to do various jobs, throughout the country, and starting on the Midwest where I'm at. And like I say, my goal is to help my journeymen, my masters who want to travel, who want to make better money, who's tired of getting, cheated out of income being home. And I know some people want to be home, but sometimes it takes to step out to get the money you need to even start your business at home. So if you want to network with me, man, hit me up. My email is HogOn Welding, HogOnWelding @gmail.com. My phone number is 480-430-6591. And like I said, it's going to be simple, man. Email me, text me, call me. All you pretty much need to get started is a resume, where I can be able to contact you and put you in the system to send you different, opportunities that most definitely in this area. And what I want to do is I want to start it based off of the first people that contact me who are looking for work. So I want to kind of like do something that's based around y'all needs. So right now, like I said, there's a lot of work going on in this area, and there's a need, man. There's a big need. It's hard to find people like us who have work ethics. So, I mean, if I'm talking to you and you have work ethics right now, you know how to get a job done, you can read prints, or you can weld good, or you can install, erect, or whatnot. Hey, man, it's a need for us right now. We're a dying breed. A lot of people don't want to go to work. A lot of people caught up in, different drugs that won't allow them to work. So, right now is the time to take advantage of a great opportunity to get some good money in, to build a business, to get financially stable. Depends on what you're trying to do. But like I say, HogOn Welding is about to be also a recruiting agency where we're gonna be finding people and connecting people to the right companies that honor skilled hands. So, we want to fill the gap in the industry, and even also train. So our goal is to train and recruit. So, we see that there's a need in the area, and we can help fill that need. I got years of experience. I know there's many out there who got experience who might want to be teachers. So if that's what you want to do too, you should contact me, because I mean there should be money, in it, all the way around, for even teachers to come in, to travel in, to teach class and do sessions and make money also. So I mean, I want to open up the door where we can actually start teaching and training our own, those who really want it, because those who really want it are the ones who will do better and exceed. I don't mind helping anybody, but if you don't have the drive to do it, it's useless. So contact me, man. Like I say, if you really want to get down with HogOn Welding, with the recruiting thing, like I say, you'll be signed up through us, but you'll be working through different companies. And like I say, we'll just make sure you get paid good. We'll make sure that your hours is right, and everything, just on point, so that way you can be able to travel and do your thing with no headaches, because I've been there. So, and also I do it so that way you know that, hey, this the guy actually, been on the road and actually is on the road doing things. So I know how you don't want to worry about your money, you don't want to worry about your time. You just want to go do your job well, clock out, go home, go to your room, come back, start over again, however long it takes, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and make some good money, man, and be able to go back home. So I want to work for us. I want to start opportunities for us, those who really want to do something. So if you know someone, or if you are that person who got that drive and want to do something different, man, contact me. Let me know. Like I say, I'm in the beginning stages right now, so I'm open to ideas, I'm open to networking, I'm open to talking and chatting with those who have the same passion, or who just want to give their input on, you know, the direction that I'm going with it and how I planned on helping people. So like I say, if you are one of those people, man, contact me. Feniks at HogOn Welding. For those who don't know, just in case it won't get confused, my real name is Joe Brown. But I changed my name to Feniks, so I go by Feniks. So, but my real name is Joe Brown, so you can call me Joe Brown, Feniks, whatever you want to call me. It's fine with me. The company is HogOn Welding, LLC, and we are located in Feniks, and we'll be working on trying to provide skilled hands throughout the U.S. and help some of these needs, especially in the West Coast and throughout the East, Midwest, South, you know, all over North. So we want to cover the U.S. basically, you know, getting our hog on and have people showing, you know, they photos are showing, hey, I'm over here getting my hog on, I'm down here getting my hog on, and we all, you know, living to be remembered and doing our thing to help our families and provide a better future. Y'all enjoy y'all day. Hog on.